Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the RAYCON Gaming Earbuds and I'm going to tell you all controls and gestures you have to know. So, at first we have the pause and play gesture. If we double tap on the touch control, we can pause and play our music. The next one is volume up and volume down. If we tap the single one on the right earbud, we can increase the volume level. Let me play my music. As you can see, it works. And on the left earbud, we can decrease the volume level using a single tap. If we triple tap on the touch control panel, we can switch to the next song. And if we do the same on the left earbud, we can go to the previous song. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.